Good day everyone. For this activity, we're going to troubleshoot inter-VLAN routing. So the objectives, part 1 is to locate network problems and part 2 is to implement the solution. The part 3 is verify network connectivity. And the scenario of this activity, in this activity, you will troubleshoot connectivity problem caused by improper configurations connected to VLAN and inter-VLAN routing. Instructions Part 1. Locate the network problems. Examine the network and locate the source of any connectivity issues. So the commands you may find useful include show IP interface brief, show interface G0/1.10 and G0/1.30. Also show interface track. Okay, test the connectivity and use the necessary show commands to verify configurations. Verify that all configured settings match the requirements shown in the addressing table. List all the problems and possible solutions in the documentation table. So in the part 1, we're going to locate the network problems. We're going to find the PC1 referring to addressing table. Then desktop and IP configuration. So let's check the PC1 IP address, default gateway, and subnet mask. The IP address correct. The subnet mask 255.255.255.0 correct. Then the default gateway also correct. So the PC1 doesn't have problem. Then next we are going to PC3 and do the same process on PC1. Desktop IP configuration and check the IP address, default gateway, and subnet mask. Referring to addressing table. Let's check IP address correct. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0 correct. And the gateway is error. So we're going to list the problems in PC3 default gateway is configured incorrectly. So next, find X it's PC3, jump to switch 1. So click the switch 1, then CLI or command line interface, then enter, type en, then show run. Then you will see the interface G0/1 on S1 is configured as access instead of trunk. Then there is something error in the G0/1. So enter the problem. Interface G0/1 on S1 or switch 1 is configured as access instead of trunk. Then next, type exit X. Then next, jump to router. Click the router. CLI. Enter enable. Enter, then type show run. Then the guys will see the error here. This. There, wrong the your exchange. Next, you will put sub interface VLAN assignment. Assignment are swap on R1 for G0/1.10 and G0/1 dot G0/1.30. Then next, back to router 1, then show IP interface brief. Then you will see this is the issues. Next, we'll put the problems again. Sub interface G0/1.10 is administratively down. So we are done in the part 1. So let's proceed to the part 2, which is to implement the solution. So for the solution, next is on the PC3. First, go to PC3, click desktop, then IP configuration, and change the default gateway. So let's put the solution, change the default gateway from 172.17.10.1 to 172.17.30.1. Then back to PC3, change the default gateway 30. So we have the progress here. Then next, in this problem, we're going to find the solution. Go to S1, switch 1, then CLI, then type EN, enter, show run. Then in this problem, the solution will be um, we have to configure G0/1 as a trunk. Click is 1, then change the Giga Ethernet 0/1 to trunk. Configure term now, then end G0/1, then hit enter, then switch port mode trunk. So we're done in S1 or switch 1. Type exit X. Next problem, sub interface G0/1.10 is administratively down. So we're going to click router, CLI, enable, then show IP interface brief. So as we can see, here is the Ethernet 01.10 is administratively down. So we're done. Then give no shutdown command for this sub interface G0/1.10. Then next type conf, configure term, then interface G0 giga internet /1.10, hit enter, then no shutdown. Then there you will see then so we fix. So the problem is sub interface VLAN assignments are swapped in R1 for. So go to R1, then type show run, hold enter. The problem is this Then put the solution. Remove incorrect encapsulation DOT 1Q. Then reassign correct encapsulation DOT 1Q. Then correct the IP address for this sub interface. Then done. Then here type conf. Enter now. Then ent G0/1.10. Then no encapsulation DOT 1Q. Then ent G0/1.30. Next is no encapsulation DOT 1Q. Then int G0/1.10. Then encapsulation DOT. Then 10. Then the IP address, we're going to correct the IP address according to addressing table. Then add 172.17.10.1 255.255.255.0. Enter. Int G0/1.30. Then encapsulation DOT 1Q. Then add the IP address 172.17.30.1 255.255.255.0. Then show run. As you will see here, there. Okay, done. Then exit X. So the completion is 100%. Then we will go to the last part. Verify network connectivity. Then go to PC1, desktop, command prompt. Then PC3, switch 30, ping 172.17.30.10. Okay, then exit. Then go to PC3, desktop, command prompt, ping 172.17.10.10. Okay, okay, done. X. Documentation stable. Here's the problem and there's the solution. And I think that would be all. I hope you have learned about this topic, troubleshoot inter VLAN routing. Thanks for watching.